Hello, I'm Gina. I've just finished the first year of my master's degree in Germanic Linguistics and Literature at the ULB in Brussels. For the past 4 months, I've taken a course, a CIVIS course, about refugees and migration in German and comparative literature. I can say to you all today that this course was very different from all the other ones that I've taken, partly because, it involves students from different European universities. It incorporates a creative group project and, of course, deals with a very current topic, which is migration. This course really enabled me to learn more about exile in Europe through the testimonies of different students, but also through the lectures, the weekly lectures that provided a theoretical framework and historical context for this subject. So in addition to the weekly classes, we also had to be a part of a group project, as I just said. And the one I participated in was about migration through poetry. And so the professor who guided us wanted us to write about migration by using our own experience, but also our imagination and the stories we had heard or read about. This creative project really enabled me to explore a whole new side of my creativity, whilst also learning to play with words, sounds, and languages, which I study. So here, what you will hear next is a sound poem or a Lautgedicht in German, and so the rest I'll leave to your imagination. Tick tack, ratatatatat. Ah! Bang bang, me me, boom boom boom, me me. Flu! Badum boom ba! Wow! Bitte, bitte, bitte! Au! Mama! Tick, tack, brrr!